and answers are in, data are in percentages. Okay, let's look at the question for this table. Okay, this is the question for that table which I shown it to you. The table gives information about various free time activities done by men and women of different ages in New Zealand. The table gives information about various free time activities done by men and women of different ages in New Zealand. Now, of course, that chart was table. So how we can change this word into another word? Let's discuss it. The first, we can say that we can write, instead of the table only, we can write the table charts. And for gives we can write provides or illustrates. Illustrates or depicts, we can write any word, or depicts. And for information about, we can write comparative data on. Instead of writing information about, we can change the word comparative data on. And for free time activities, of course, if you are doing IELTS exam, then you should learn the synonym of this word. Free time activities means, or we can use another word for this word is leisure activities. It is important in IELTS speaking as well as in writing also. Okay, let's look. Now one more thing is left. Okay, what I told you, for table we will be writing the table charts. For gifts we will be writing provides. For information about, we will be writing comparative data. On, because it is given about. For information we have used the word comparative data, but this is not the proper synonym. You can say we are talking about table information. Table was in comparative statement, comparative data. And for about we use the word on, and here it is given free time activities. Free time activities is leisure activities, and it where various we will be, for various we will be using the word. Here in the table it was given, if you remember, 6 activities like jogging, basketball, baseball. So for various you will be writing 6 different activities, different leisure activities done by men and women. Now for man and woman, what you will be writing here is, you will be writing the word by both the gender. Okay, of different ages. For this we can use the word different age groups. It is given in the table only, different age groups in New Zealand. Of course, this is a country's name, so we cannot change it in another name. Let's look at the answer, how we can write for this question. The table charts provides comparative data on 6 types of leisure time activities. Instead of writing free time activities, we have written leisure time activities. And why we have written 6 types? Because it was given in the table. There were 6 types of activities given in the table, and here I have written enjoyed, or you can write done also, because it is given in the question also. Let's look at this. Activities done by, instead of writing done, you can use the word enjoyed, or as it is you can write it this only. Next is by both the genders. By both the genders is man and woman. By man and woman, I have written the word by both the genders in various age groups. Instead of writing different ages, I have written Let's look at this. In various age groups in New Zealand. In New Zealand, that is the answer. This is the answer. This is the sentence we can write in introduction part, that is first paragraph. Thank you so much.